Launch Amazon app on your phone and then tap on 3 lines menu at the bottom right and select account from shortcuts menu to access your account page. Scroll down to payment section, tap on manage gift cards balance. On this page you will see options like redeem gift card, reload your balance, auto reload, or add cash. To check balance, tap on redeem gift card, and you can either enter claim code manually or scan code using your device camera. However, know that entering or scanning claim code will apply directly to your account, which means balance will be added without an option to check it first. Amazon does not provide a built-in feature to check gift cards balance without redeeming. You can also use alternative method by contacting Amazon customer support. Provide them with your gift card details to check balance without redeeming it. Tap on customer service in the app or on the website and start chat and request them to check balance for you. There are some third-party websites and services that claim to check Amazon gift cards balance. However, these are not recommended due to potential security risk. It's always safer to contact Amazon directly.